Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to restrict access to a folder in Windows. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your File Explorer or this PC, and then find the document or file or folder that you want to restrict the access. So for example, I'm just gonna do the sample file. So just go ahead and right click on the folder that you want to restrict the access. Click on Properties, and then you want to click on the Security tab. And then you want to make sure that the authenticated users is highlighted. Okay, so now click on Edit. Now you want to click on the Add button. Then here, just go ahead and enter the object name. So if you don't know what is the name, just go ahead and click on Advanced. And then here, click on Find Now. Then just go ahead and select the user that you want to restrict. So let's just go ahead and choose users, as you can see here. So now I just want to go back here and type the user's name right here. Then now you want to click on OK. And then after that, you want to check all of the boxes under the deny. Okay, so that they can't have the full control on this folder. Okay, so just go ahead and click on apply. So as you can see, you're setting a deny permissions entry. Deny entries ethic precedence over allow entries. This means that if a user is a member of two groups, one that is allowed a permission and another that is denied the same permission, the user is denied that permission. So if you want to continue, just go ahead and click on yes. So click on OK, just like that. And now when that user tries to open this file, which is the sample file, he or she cannot open it. That is because you restrict that person or user in this folder. Okay? So that is how you restrict access to a folder in Windows. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.